how to use the Problems and Solutions tree. The Problems and Solutions tree helps break complex problems down into root causes and their consequences. The tree can be used to explore things such as inequality, poverty, and hunger. For this activity, you'll need markers and paper for students to draw on. You'll also need to project or show an example of the tree. Start by writing the main problem on the trunk of the tree. Today, we're looking at climate change. Then think about the consequences of this problem. Who does it affect? How? Where do they live? Make notes on the branches of the tree. Then think about the causes of this problem. Encourage your students to connect the causes to the consequences they already thought of. Encourage them to think locally as well as globally. Finally, think about the solutions. What will answer these root causes? Try and make these solutions as local and practical as possible. This could be a great way to brainstorm the goals of an action project. Follow up by challenging your students to take action on the solutions they identified. Links for the toolkit and other resources are in the comments below. Thanks for watching.